Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Well, today I am sitting in a 2021 MG3 and I'm going to be showing you how to update the time and date on the car. So there you go, I've got the ignition on one click. The engine's not running at the moment, but it could be running if you wanted it to be. And I've just got on the radio just to show how you may have your car. So the first thing we're going to do is go back to the home screen by pushing this big silver button here, which takes us back to our home screen. Just swipe over to the right, and down in the bottom left is the setup. Give that a click, and then the second one down on the left is time. And now we've got the date and the time, so it's year, month, day, so that's all correct for me. And then we've got the time here. I'm just going to go forward 1 hour, so it's already changed it. We can choose 12 hour to 24 hour. I'm going to go to 24 hour. Once I'm happy with what I've done there, just going to go ahead, push that silver button, and takes us back to the home screen, and that will now stay. But there you go, I hope you found that video helpful. I'll be making quite a few more videos on the MG3. If you found this helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel.